Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Oprea. I'm working in product management at Cognite.
And my name is Ragnhild Birchland, and I'm also a product manager at Cognite. At Cognite, we understand the unique pains and challenges teams face in accessing critical industrial information. Industry research shows that process engineers, field workers, and maintenance teams spend up to 50% of their time searching for information, leaving less time for inspections, maintenance reviews, and general operations.
And today we'll take you through the industrial user experience, showcasing the power of Cognite Data Fusion and our suite of industrial tools. We'll highlight how these tools provide simple and intuitive access to complex industrial data, and how they facilitate seamless collaboration between your field and office teams by enabling faster resolution times, proactive problem solving, and driving higher productivity across your organization. Next, we'll demonstrate how you can actually accomplish all of this.
Yes, let's get started. Cognite Data Fusion brings all of your IT, OT, and engineering data into the hands of every user, both conceptually and in practice. Like I'm doing now, out on my round in the field taking care of daily activities, I'm able to access everything right from my phone. I can quickly search and access all the available information for my asset, like the documents, historian data, past work orders, and more. I can even ask AI to help me find relevant information, like how to shut down a piece of equipment, based on the operation manuals associated with the asset. But it's more than just assisting me with information. It's also allowing me to capture information I might find and instantly alert a colleague about it. Like this issue that I just found, where I can take a picture and immediately log that for my colleague Andrea to follow up.
Now that Ragnhild has alerted me of an issue, I'll help out with troubleshooting from the office. Orienting myself and jumping in to assist is just a few clicks away. Cognite's Industrial Tools workspace contains all the information and tools that I need. It allows me to search not only my data, but I can also access my canvas, where I have been working on troubleshooting the identified issue. As you can see, I can quickly access the information from the field directly in the canvas, like the observation that my colleague has just made. I can easily access any additional information that might be relevant for troubleshooting the problem in the field, such as pulling in interactive PNIDs, browsing 3D models, interactive time series, historical inspections, thermal resistance analysis, the latest work orders, manuals, or any other relevant documents such as previous root cause analysis. And also I can even quickly create a fault tree to identify the root cause of the issue. AI agents can also rapidly accelerate this process, such as reviewing high-priority maintenance items that might be open around my heat exchanger. Sometimes we can collaborate and resolve the issue real-time, but it can also be added to a maintenance backlog to be followed up, for example, in my next turnaround. Within that same Industrial Tools workspace, I'm also able to retrieve the plan that I'm currently working on. Here you can see the work order based on the troubleshooting done earlier, but now I can layer on the context that I would need as a planner. In the process, I can actually create a digital workpack, which can be iterated on, reused, and eventually sent directly to the field. And with the rich data foundation already available, I can improve the quality and the efficiency of the safety critical work by automating tasks such as isolation planning based on our PNIDs that have been processed by AI. And just like Ragnhild asked me for assistance, I'm able to quickly ask her to support me with more information from the field while I'm preparing my work.
While I can always go back to capture the information Andrea requested, going into the field at large or remote facilities is not always possible or cost-effective. Thanks to our robotic colleague Spot, we easily request an autonomous mission to collect the information that I need. Cognite Data Fusion enables the robots to collect information needed with the full context of your plant or asset, so Spot knows where to go and what to collect. Spot hasn't just collected data for me, it's also been put into context automatically. In this way, I can review the information alongside other asset details or even against historical capture of the same equipment, helping me keep the digital twin evergreen. As you can see, the power of data in context is doing more than just making our teams more effective. It's transforming the way we work. It's connecting our organization in new and meaningful ways, bridging the gap between the field and the office. The workflows we've shown today are happening every day, and Cognite Data Fusion can dramatically enhance them. It enables industrial users to detect issues earlier, complete critical tasks more quickly, create higher quality plans, and more, resulting in up to a 20% increase in productivity. Moreover, all the valuable data and insights are stored and captured digitally, allowing our organization to reuse, learn, and provide rich information to AI, continuously driving improvements across our operations.
Now, as you have seen how industrial users can leverage the platform and the industrial tools to improve everyday decisions, let's take a closer look at how we prepare the data under the hood to provide the solid foundations that powers these decisions.